Who can see your birth year on Twitter? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set who can see your birth year on Twitter. And if at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing to do is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter, click on your profile for picture, then click on profile, then click on edit profile. When you click on edit profile, just scroll up. Then under this date of birth, go ahead and click on this. When you click on it, you can see the month and the year. Who can see this? Just go ahead and click on the year. Then this option will pop up. Click on any of the options. Now after that, go ahead and click on continue. Then click on save to save all your changes. Then click on confirm. Now your changes have been saved. Now guys, that is how to set who can see your year of birth on Twitter. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.